How have your clients been responding to Annie?
My clients are so excited. And my business has tripled. It's incredible.
Wow.
They don't quite know who I am. They're like, wait a minute. But they all
Wow.
respond positive. Like, wow, you look great. You've really changed. What's going on?
Actually, so I started the hair designer program and I think it was October. I actually raised my prices in November.
Yeah, yeah.
20%.
Awesome. That's wonderful. Isn't that amazing, guys? Blow drying with intention. What has that meant to you, Jacqueline?
It opened up a world to me that instead of just getting it done, it gave me the ability to work more with intention. And because I understand my client's identity from the consultation, I'm able then to deliver a style that is appropriate, but also more like a lot more fun. My clients are like, oh, wow, I've never seen you do this before. And I'm like, I know, isn't this neat? They're like, I love it.
This is a very unique way of training. It's the new method. It's online with the human touch. We have obviously online video tutorials that guide you every step of the way. We have step-by-step lesson plans. We have weekly live virtual workshops. So I get to see these lovely ladies and Stan, who you're going to meet in a moment, every week. And that's wonderful. There's a forum where we get to post the work and give feedback on the work, which I think is critical. And that feedback is everything to me. That way you can really grow. We have group coaching and we also have certification as we go along the way. So it's a very, very, very powerful program. And what I think is also fun is just prizes and rewards as we go on the journey. So this is the designer program.
There was a time period where I could not understand why my clients were not returning. And this gave me the opportunity to really delve deep into the understanding the art of consultation, the art of face shapes, and really why am I using the tools that are designing to that individual. So if you want to really expand your repertoire and understand what it is to come into mastery, be a part of the designer program. Not only will you help your clients, you will also help our future professionals.